Patrice, the PGA headquarters is moving out to Frisco, and I want to live close as I can.
Well, guess what? There is a community that we're going to show you that you can live about as close to the PGA headquarters as you possibly can. So stay tuned.
I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
And for all you golf lovers that are interested in the Frisco headquarters of the PGA, well, we've got a special treat for you. We have a community that is just adjacent to the PGA headquarters.
That's right.
Brand new. House prices are anywhere between the 400s and up to 700 if you want to get as close as you can to that golf course.
Yep, because you're going to pay a little bit of a premium.
Going to pay a little bit of a lot premium for that. But if this is your first time on our channel, we are local real estate agents here in the North Texas area. And we specialize in all things North Texas real estate. So if it's your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're alerted every time we do a video.
Yep, and don't forget to give us a call, text,
You've
or
got
email.
mail.
Whatever you need to do to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us.
Now let's talk about this subdivision,
All
this
right.
community that we are featuring today.
Okay?
It is
Hollyhock.
Hollyhock.
Hollyhock, yep.
Hollyhock. So,
Right here in Frisco.
Right here in Frisco. It's in northwest Frisco, so you're still maybe 10, 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes actually, to the Plano Frisco headquarters.
Yep.
And about 35, 40 minutes into downtown Dallas.
That is correct.
This thing is 400 acres.
Yeah.
14 of which are open spaces, kind of for trails and that sort of thing.
Yep.
And it's just a killer community that feeds into some of the best schools in Frisco.
And in the next year, they're going to be building a new high school. So all the kids will be able to go there. And then I'm pretty sure they will be building a middle school, elementary, and all of that good stuff. So they won't have to go too far.
You know how Frisco do it.
That's right.
Right, so so anyway, we're going to tour around the neighborhood. We're not getting into any models just yet.
No.
This is just kind of a neighborhood tour, so you can kind of get the gist. But if you want to be as close as you can to the PGA headquarters right now, this is the must stop.
Yeah, we couldn't really get on the PGA headquarters area, but we got
Without
as close as we
breaking the law,
could.
you
So
know,
we got as close as we could.
It was tempting, you know. The golfer in me wanted to go see it.
I know.
But on that note, just so we talk about the day that this course opens, it's going to be the best course in Texas and vie for one of the top 10 courses in the nation. So we're talking Ryder Cups, PGA Championships, the whole 9 yards. If you want to hang out with Tiger, Jordan Spieth, Justin Thomas, this is the place to be. So enjoy the tour.
But wait, one more thing
Oh, my.
that I don't think a lot of people know. We've probably talked about it in other videos, but they are going to have a walking trail that goes all the way around. And I can guarantee
Open to
when
the public, yeah.
Andy's not playing golf, he's going to be walking around.
That's where we're doing our walks. I mean, I don't know why we wouldn't. So anyway, hope you enjoy the tour.
Yep.
And then we'll see you on the flip side.
Sounds good.
So let's talk about Hollyhock.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about
First of all, I do want to say it is one of those days that people talk about when they say they hate Texas weather. It is 106 out today, so it's a little warm. I have to say, yes, it is. No breeze, so it's.
Is my makeup melting?
A little bit of yeah. So this is one of those days, but we don't have a whole lot of them. So.
No.
But we're in the shade.
We've been in the 90s for the last 2 weeks.
Okay, and we're in the shade, so we're good.
But anyway, let's talk about Hollyhock.
Let's talk about
People don't want to hear us complain about the weather.
I'm not complaining.
All right. So Hollyhock. This is, like I said, in northwest Frisco. Right on the other side of Hollyhock is Windsong Ranch and Prosper. Right. So just a great location. Lots of vibrant activities going on right here. You've got the PGA Headquarters. Obviously, that is the game changer for this area. That's going to be, for those that don't know, that's going to be a mixed use. It's called the Fields. It's a development. There's going to be eventually 5,000 houses going in that development as well. But it's going to be Omni Hotel headquarters for the PGA. You're going to have mixed use. It's just going to be very, very upscale eating, dining, and all that good stuff.
Also shared with Frisco ISD. Frisco ISD put money into it. And so that means that our golf teams of all our schools are going to get to play there, which is going to be amazing.
Yeah, and then the Kate Center, like chefs get to work with the Omni chefs and everything. So it's just a really cool environment. And the schools that go into Hollyhock, that Hollyhock feed into, are some of the top rated schools in the entire city of Frisco, which is obviously one of the top rated schools in the state.
However, they are building a high school in the next couple years for Hollyhock, so they will go to the brand new high school, and I would imagine we're going to see another elementary and another middle school for them also, because that's just the way we do it around here.
Frisco does it.
Yes.
But in fact, they're going to a brand new high school right now. It's only in its second year.
True.
So I mean, that's
it is brand new.
All they know are brand new schools here. So, but a little information about Hollyhock itself. So pricing, houses are going to be anywhere between in the 400s to 700,000s. Those 700,000s are going to be the ones kind of closer to the golf course. It's 400 acres. Yep,
lots of walking trails, biking trails. They've got a lap pool, a regular play pool with a splash pond. They've got a little area that you can barbecue and have picnics, and you have they have an indoor space you can rent. They have an outdoor space you can rent for family gatherings or whatever. So they've got a lot of things to do.
14 acres, in fact, are devoted specifically for parks and open space within the community. And you know what? Part of the HOA, what's nice about this community is they take care of your front yard.
They do,
so,
that is good.
When it's 106 degrees, believe me, you don't want to be out there pushing a mower if you don't have to. So that's nice. And what's nice about that, obviously, from a neighborhood aesthetic standpoint, is that everything looks fresh and clean all the time. So that's what's nice. They take care of your flower beds, the whole nine. So it's just one of those communities where it's location is perfect. Got really good amenities. It doesn't have the lagoon like across the street or anything like that, but it's got its fair share of
not everybody wants a lagoon. So.
In fact, we were at the community center in the pool, and we were going to film that for you, but there were a large gathering of people barbecuing and grilling, taking advantage. So we'll just show you kind of some pictures of it and stuff like that. But this is a great area. Like I said, the schools are top notch, and don't forget to give us a call, text, or email, whatever it is that you need to do to get a hold of us. Just get a hold of us. Till the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.